Drawing Christine Karron's Dear Diary. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Anna B and I create art for self-awareness and personal development. After last week's art where I was able to finally create my first original portrait, I wanted to search for other artists that I admire and try to draw and study their techniques and style. The portrait that I'm drawing here today is a study and replication of Christine Karron's Dear Diary artwork. I love Christine's illustrations where she combines realism techniques with fantasy and expressionistic subjects such as fairies. I'm a big fan of her grayscale works as well, where she sells the grayscale works as coloring pages. She also shares her coloring techniques using combinations of color pencils, inks, and watercolors. If you'd like to check out her art, I'll leave her links to her platforms below in the description box. For both last week's and this week's art, I have been using Crayola color pencils, even though I finally opened my Prismacolors and I used them for the first time. After creating 2 drawings with the Prismacolors, I realized that I needed time and experience to make the beginner mistakes that I was making as I learned how to use the color pencil medium. I was also drawing popular characters from references such as the Scrooge and Grinch, so they weren't original works that I could capitalize on. I guess it's just the frugal part of me that found it a little bit wasteful, and I was also curious to how well the cheaper school grade Crayola color pencils can hold up in a drawing. To be honest, I was very pleased and pleasantly surprised with the Crayola color pencils. I know that my ability to blend and layer were limited, not only due to the cheaper pencils, but also because I was drawing on printer paper or thin journaling paper. Even with those limitations though, I was really happy with the result. I definitely can see that the Crayola pencils are not as vibrant in color, and the cheap paper also made it very difficult to really blend and smooth out the layers. But I wanted to use these studies and replications as an opportunity to learn the fundamentals when drawing portraits and to get a feel for the artist's unique styles. I think I might create more replica art from my favorite portrait artists that I do follow, so I can gain some more confidence to hopefully create my own original portrait someday as well. My biggest issue right now when it comes to my own creative outlet is that I'm kind of split between my love and comfort zone of drawing geometric mandalas, where it's mostly repetitive line work, and my passion and curiosity for colorful portraits and nature-inspired subjects. I just don't feel like the 2 types of art mesh well together, and I'm kind of split on what to focus on. But for now, I'm just going to do what I enjoy and just enjoy the best of both worlds and combining my love for both, even though it might not be the most attractive aesthetic. I do want to apologize for anyone who have noticed that my art is kind of all over the place. As I've mentioned, I am using art as a personal development tool, and I want to try to be patient with myself to discover where my passion really lies before I niche down and choose a specific medium or subject type that I want to focus a lot of my art on. I did create this YouTube channel so I can document that journey and be able to follow through my thought process as I discover what makes me most creative. As I reflect on the thought processes when I'm creating each type of art and trying out different mediums and subjects. Alright, that's all I have for you today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I will see all of you beautiful souls in the next one. Bye for now.